and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS.
My name is Aaron, I'm the install coordinator and maintenance coordinator.
Awesome, so Aaron, let's talk today about the maintenance portion of what we do every day.
Absolutely.
Okay? So here we are, September, we had our first cold night last night.
Very cold.
I had to pull the vest out. So we're going to talk about maintenance and why it's important to have that done. So we're going to hit our top 3 reasons why you need furnace maintenance, okay?
Absolutely.
So Aaron, give us one of those reasons.
Well, maintenance is very important when it comes to your furnace. You don't want it to ever kind of go out unexpectedly. That would be, not the greatest, especially on a nice chill morning like we had today.
Yeah, absolutely. So, a lot of times we'll get calls and people say, I've been hearing this noise for the past week in my furnace or something like that. You really want to get that serviced or looked at because those issues don't usually just go away. They don't resolve themselves.
Unfortunately, they don't.
I know, we wish they did.
Yeah.
But so if you do have, maybe an older system or, something you're just concerned about, having a tune-up scheduled is really good because our technicians can get out there and sometimes they can catch some things before they go out or become a real problem.
Absolutely.
Okay, what's another reason?
You want to kind of keep your system running as efficiently as possible, kind of like, your car. You get routine maintenance done on your vehicle, same thing with your HVAC system, especially furnace now.
Yep.
You want to make sure, get your filters changed and make sure you get everything operating the way it should.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people may or may not realize that the blower motor inside of your furnace runs all year. And so even during cooling season when the air conditioner is working, that blower is running. And so anytime you have something that runs, most days of the year, really important to get it tuned up.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
All the dirt accumulates on that blower wheel and it can definitely make the system less efficient.
Yeah, totally. And that means your utility bills
Right,
gonna go up.
through the roof.
Yep, absolutely. All right, what's a third?
So being the install coordinator, if you do have a newer system with your warranties and manufacturer warranties, you want to make sure you get your maintenance done to keep those warranties valid and up to date.
Yes, don't shoot the messenger, but that is a manufacturer requirement. And it makes sense because how long are those warranties, those part warranties typically?
Usually about 12 years, generally sometimes 6 years. You just want to, they just want to make sure that everything's upkept pretty well, so less chance for failure.
100%. So you have your part warranties and you have your labor warranties. And as he mentioned, the labor warranty could be anywhere from a year to 12 years.
Right.
The part warranty is generally a year, 5 years, 10 years, 12 years, something like that. But if a manufacturer is taking that liability to warranty those parts, they want to ensure that the system is being taken care of.
Absolutely.
And that something doesn't fail due to negligence.
Yes.
Right? So it makes complete sense. So, okay, well, to sum it up, we want your system to stay as efficient as it can. Yep. We don't want you to lose heat if you don't have to during those super cold nights, and keep your warranties in place.
That's exactly right.
All right, awesome. Well, hope that was some great information for you today. We will see you next time on HVAC Talk. Let's be real and stay warm out there.